In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the Shopify contact form email address. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to ensure you know exactly where to go and what to do. Shopify is a powerful platform for building and managing your online store. And keeping your contact details current is essential for maintaining excellent customer service. So let's dive right in and make sure your contact form is sending emails to the right address. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, look toward the bottom left of your screen, and you'll notice a gear icon labeled Settings. Click on that, as this is where you can adjust and configure various options for your store. This is just the beginning of your journey to ensure that all communications are streamlined and centralized to your preferred email account. With the settings open, shift your attention to the left-hand panel where you'll see several different categories. Among these, you'll find General. This is the hub for your store's basic information and where you'll need to go next. Click on General, and it will open up a new page filled with sections related to the essential details of your business. Now, focus on the Store Details section, which is typically one of the first areas you'll see on this page. Hover over this section, and you'll notice a pencil icon appearing next to it. This is your cue to edit. Click on that pencil icon, and it will allow you to make changes to the information displayed here. This simple action will help you access and alter the very foundation of your store's communication settings. Once you've clicked the pencil, you're presented with the option to edit the store email. This is the email address where all communications from your contact form will be sent. Simply change the existing email address to your new preferred one. It's always a good idea to double check for any typos or errors here, just to avoid any misdirection of important customer emails. Updating this ensures your business stays connected with customers swiftly and efficiently. After you've made your changes, make sure to save the edits. This step finalizes your adjustments, ensuring that from this moment onward, all contact form notifications go straight to the newly designated email address. It's a simple process, but a vital one to keep your business communications running smoothly. And there you have it. That's all you need to do to change the Shopify contact form email address. In just a few quick steps, you've made an important update that will help you maintain a seamless flow of information from your customers. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful Shopify tips and tutorials.